Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show when try to restyle photo show this problem something went wrong or restyle not working problem. Let's see how to solve following all step. Do not skip. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Instagram. Make sure update Instagram app latest version. Tap on hold Instagram. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Go to Instagram. Click on profile icon and click on three dot menu and scroll down. Click on help. Click on report a problem. Click on report problem. Click on include and continue. And write this text and click on send option. Wait for reply from Instagram help. Hopefully in this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.